Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Adobe Acrobat free into your Windows operating system. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we will go to our Google Chrome browser and then come over this search option over here, and then we will search for Adobe Acrobat over here. Click on that, and after that you will get the first link over here from the Adobe. So click on download Adobe Acrobat Reader, and after that you will get an option called download Acrobat Reader. So click on that, and after that you can see the installation is finished, and now the download is also finished. You can see. So if you now click on this show in folder, you will automatically redirect to Reader and install that application you downloaded. And then if you click on that 2 times, they will looking for permission. Click yes, and now you can see that the downloading process is beginning. So it will take some of minutes, depends on your internet speed. So keep patience and wait for a little bit. So here you can see after the installation complete, you can see there are a Mac app security scan plus installing. So you don't need to worry about it. It will take a little bit time. So here you can see that the installation and download is completed. So now if you click on finish, and here is an option that select different app or PDF file and select Adobe Acrobat and click on see default, and you can see that there will be a confirmation that your software is downloaded. So if you now minimize it, and you can see over into your, so you can see the app is opening, and here is your Acrobat. You can see you can do whatever you want to do. You want to sign in, then you need to click on the here to sign in. And if you want to try it Acrobat Pro, then you can just click on it. So here you can see it's the desktop icon over here. So wherever you want, you just click on it 2 times and your Acrobat will be open like this. You can see. So this is how you can download Acrobat into your Windows operating system. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.